Welcome back, everybody, to night 8 of the 12 nights of Beastmode Christmas camping.
All right.
What do we got, Steve?
All right. Okay. So let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Tonight's night 8. Night 7, we got the super awesome striker torchy thingy. Great.
Cool.
Okay. Night 6, we had the lantern. Night 5, we had the the cards of what the
Nope.
Truth or Dab.
Yep.
With the hot sauce that sent us to the emergency
Emergency room.
Okay, night 4 was the walkie-talkies. Night 3 was fireside chats, the thought-provoking cards. Night 2 was the Alabama Slammers, whiskey, cider.
So good, and you guys are missing out. I'm sorry.
And then, of course, night 1, holiday flames.
We got to put one in there.
Always need the holiday flames. Nice. All right, so tonight is night 8. Dude, last night was awesome, dude. I love that little striker, man. This is greatness, man.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Night 8, it looks like
Oh,
dos ochos.
Oh, dos ochos.
One for each of us, brother.
Ooh.
All right, I have no idea.
I don't know,
It's
that's
light.
weird.
It feels like
Very
a
light.
card. Maybe it's a credit card?
Credit card? No limit?
All right, Dana gave us specific instructions to only open one gift a night. Tonight's
Man.
night 8.
Can't believe she gave us no limit credit cards.
Well, I have no idea what it is, Steve. I was just a guess. It was the premonitions we were talking about.
Yeah, right. You have to manifest your own reality, Tony.
Oh,
What is this?
man.
Oh.
Hey, before we even get started here, I'm just going to say thanks, babe. Lil Nitro.
Lil
the
Nitro.
world's hottest gummy bear. The world's hottest gummy bear.
Ooh.
From Flamethrower Candy Company comes the next experience for those who seek the heat. Lil Nitro has been infused with our
Tiny.
signature. I don't even want to say it.
What is
like
it?
literally, Steve, my mouth fell apart. Hold on. What did you say a Holoquia pepper was?
A Butte Jalokia.
How much?
1 million Scoville.
Infused with our signature 9 million.
9 million? What?
9 million.
Scoville unit chili extract, making him 900 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper. So a lot of people that do the source challenge, I can't remember, that might be 16 million.
16
can't-
up there.
But they go to the emergency room.
Some people do. They have heart attacks. Yeah.
We're out in the middle of nowhere. 9 million.
So this is a little over half of what that is, but it's a gummy bear. Okay, this is the challenge. It says there's a challenge. So what does the challenge say? We want you to make the best little Nitro video on the internet. Post your video to YouTube with the holiday or with the hashtag Little Nitro Challenge for a chance to be featured on your website and social media platforms. Okay.
Are you gonna?
Put
I don't know
little-
if I can do it, Steve. 9 million?
I'll do it for the team.
That's 9 million. Keep in mind, hold on, Steve. Well, I just want to be prepared if you fall out, dude. The reason I'm saying it's 16, I saw people going to the emergency room on
Smells good.
just a touch of a toothpick. Hold on, get a close up. Okay, it's in his mouth. Is it hot yet?
It's really cold, so it's not real gummy.
Is there any spice to it?
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Oh, shit. Oh. Why?
Is it worse than last time? If it's not worse than last time, I can do it. I'm gonna look like a bitch.
No, it's worse.
Oh, it's worse? Okay.
Oh, we got some cool green flames.
It's worse? You just kicked the rock. I'm guessing it's really bad. But you're chewing it like bubble gum, not like a gummy bear.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. I'm not gonna swallow it.
Oh, but the challenge.
Screw the challenge.
It's that hot?
It's right. It's bad.
Oh my God.
Dude, and that thing, you were chewing it for a while and it's bare.
Oh.
Oh.
And last time, the other
I
stuff,
got the hiccups now.
do you feel it in your heart and lungs? Babe, if Steve's having a problem with it,
Yeah.
last time I spent 30 minutes over there in our emergency room, and
Oh my God,
I was
no.
by Dr. Prepare, and I was there for 30 minutes, and you had almost no reaction. If you're reacting this bad, sorry, babe, I can't. Should I bite the head off of it? No,
Don't do it.
not even the head?
Oh my God.
Dude, your eyes are watering. I'm sorry I'm laughing because last time it felt like needles were in my mouth.
Broken glass, yeah.
9 million.
What's it feel like, Steve?
Like chewing broken glass.
Your eyes are watering, you're sweating.
You know it's bad when I get the hiccups, dude. Because only,
No, you're crying. Like your eyes are
only
watering.
the hottest gives me the hiccups.
Do you need to get some milk, dude?
Oh, no, it'll pass, it'll pass.
It'll pass.
Woo. Okay.
Hey, she's gonna be so mad at me.
No, you would die. The way you reacted to that other stuff, oh, you would die.
You would die. What about if I bite an ear off?
I don't think you'd make it. With the way you reacted to that other
I
stuff?
don't think you'd make it.
Oh my word.
How you feeling, brother?
I feel like I just licked Satan's balls. God.
That's 9
Ooh. Yeah, no way I could finish that. No way.
million. He said, I'm spitting it out.
All right, night 8. Thanks for the pain.
All right, everybody. That was night 8. Come back for night 9 tomorrow, and hopefully there's no more tricks up her sleeve. Merry Christmas, everybody.